Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're analyzing Intel Corporation stock, and seeing what the news and chart data have to say about where the price is headed. Let's start by reviewing some recent headlines related to Intel. Intel stock surged nearly 8% on news of custom AI chips for Amazon's AWS and a $3 billion grant for military use under the CHIPS Act. This is positive news for Intel's future, as it demonstrates its commitment to AI and its ability to secure government funding for its operations. However, there are some concerning developments as well. Intel announced it will pause its fab projects in Germany and Poland by approximately 2 years due to anticipated market demand. This suggests a potential slowdown in Intel's expansion plans and could lead to increased competition from other chip manufacturers. Overall, the news surrounding Intel is mixed. While recent developments in AI and government support are positive, the pause in European fab projects raises concerns about future growth. We'll need to see how these factors play out in the coming months to determine the overall impact on INTC's stock price. Now, let's take a look at the charts to see what the data is telling us about Intel. Starting with the daily chart, we can see that Intel has been on an upward trend over the past few months. The price has broken through several resistance levels, indicating strong bullish sentiment. If we look at the past few weeks, we see a pattern of higher highs and higher lows. This is a strong bullish signal and suggests that the price is likely to continue moving higher in the short term. The recent surge in price following the news of Intel's AI chip deals with Amazon and the CHIPS Act grant is clearly visible on the daily chart. The price jumped significantly, breaking through a key resistance level. However, it's important to note that the daily chart doesn't necessarily reflect the short-term price fluctuations. For a more granular view, let's switch to the hourly chart. On the hourly chart, we can see that Intel has been consolidating over the past few days. The price has been trading within a range, with support around $20.50 and resistance around $21.50. This consolidation period could be a sign of indecision in the market. Traders may be waiting for a catalyst to push the price in one direction or the other. The recent surge in price following the news release can be seen more clearly on the hourly chart. We see a sharp upward move, followed by a short period of consolidation. If the price breaks above the resistance level of $21.50, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend on the daily chart. However, a break below the support level of $20.50 would suggest that the bullish momentum is fading and could lead to a pullback. To get a real feel for the current sentiment and how Intel is reacting to news in real time, let's zoom in on the 15-minute chart. On the 15-minute chart, we can see some volatility, but the price is generally trending upwards. There's a noticeable change in sentiment when news is released. Notice how the price spikes after the news of Intel's new AI deals, but then quickly retraces. This is a common reaction to news events. The price jumps quickly, but then settles back as traders evaluate the impact of the news and adjust their positions. The 15-minute chart is helpful for identifying short-term trading opportunities, but it's important to remember that the daily and hourly charts provide a broader context for understanding the overall trend. Let's summarize the key price levels and predictions. On the daily chart, Intel has been on a strong upward trend with higher highs and higher lows. The price has broken through several resistance levels and is currently testing new highs. This suggests a bullish outlook for Intel in the long term. On the hourly chart, Intel has been consolidating over the past few days, with support around $20.50 and resistance around $21.50. A break above the resistance level would likely signal a continuation of the bullish trend on the daily chart, while a break below the support level would suggest that the bullish momentum is fading. The 15-minute chart shows short-term volatility and a general upward trend. The price reacts quickly to news events, but then settles back as traders evaluate the impact of the news. In conclusion, while the news surrounding Intel is mixed, the chart data suggests a bullish outlook for the stock in the long term. The price is currently consolidating on the hourly chart, with key levels to watch being $20.50 support and $21.50 resistance. A break above $21.50 would likely signal a continuation of the bullish trend, while a break below $20.50 would suggest a potential pullback. It's important to keep an eye on the 15-minute chart for short-term trading opportunities, while remembering the bigger picture as illustrated by the daily and hourly charts.